Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to start a blog on your Wix website in 2023. So guys, without any further talking, make sure to watch this video from now till the end so you don't make any mistake during your submitting or while following me. So make sure to follow this video with details step by step until the end, and let's start with the first thing. So let's go ahead and open our website. So let's go to wix.com. Here we go. And here it is. And from here, guys, you just have to create an account if you don't have it. If you do have it, just go ahead and create a new website. So I'm going now to create a new site. And these are the most important step, guys. So while we create our website, we are going to choose here a blog. So online store, portfolio, blog, consulting, technology company. Here I'm going to choose a blog. Here you can choose whatever kind of blogs you have. So for me, I'm going to choose, for example, live blog, and then I will click on next. Here I will just wait a little bit. Here I will give it a name. So Loli's life, something like that. And now I will click on next as well. So here I am in the second step. So now make sure that it is a blog, so it is built in, and then if you want to add any other of extension, you can add it as well. So for example, you can add a forum, groups, and I think that's it. So this is all we need for a blog. We can add here a portfolio, but that's it. So now let's click on next. And let's wait a little bit. So start setting up your website. You can here guys begin with a template or get a custom built site, so you can do whatever you like. So here I'm going to begin with a template, and I'm going to search for a blog template. So let's search for life blog, personal blog, family blog, personal blog. Let's choose a like website that will be fitting for us. I think I will go for this one, so let's go with this one. Click on here to edit it, and now all you need to do is give it some time until it fully loads into your page. So it can take like seconds, or it can even take minutes. So give it all the time that it needs, so they make you all the things ready. Now this is the website, as you can see. So this is my home website. This is the head, this is like the images. Here they are adding Wix forum. So let's give them some time until everything is good and published. Now we are at 6 on 9. So here we go. It won't be that long, guys. So now we are at 7, and then we will be at 8, and then 9, and here we go. Now, how we can add a blog? So this is basically our blog. So this is our page. This is our main menu. This is the header. You can click here to edit the header. As you can see, if we click in here, you can add columns. You can even edit this horizontal menu. So if I go here and click on my manage menu, I will find here all the pages. There's here, for example, my blog, as you can see, about, there is contact, there is portfolio, and there is more. And this more section, you can find some extra like these. Now if you'd like to add a page or remove a page, you can just click here and choose whatever page you'd like. For example, here there is some already made pages for you to choose from, so you can pick whatever you like, and then you can just try and edit over it. So for example, here I'm going to choose profile, so I will click in here to add page, and here it is. As you can see, it has been created. So here you can, for example, write a brief about you, what you will do in this website, and so go on. Now let me just go back to home. So I'm going to switch page, and let me go to the home page. Here guys, you can make this like images. You can make a slider, you can make whatever you like. Here guys, if we went all the way down, you can post here the blogs that you have posted. If I want to add elements, here you can find it here. Where is it? Here. So here, if we click in here, you can go ahead and click on blog from over here, and from here you can just go to find some recent posts, things, category menu, tag cloud, archive. You can add some stuff to here if you'd like to. So if I'm wanting to add some post list, I'm going to just drag this, and I will put it whatever I like in the page. So I can just drag it, and put it over here as an example. Just I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and I'm going to put it over here. Now here I'm going to add, for example, text. So add element, text, and I'm going to add title. Let's make it like this, and let's add a title which will say, let's make it some a little bit bigger. And here I'm going to make, for example, recent blogs. So I'm going to make it like that, recent, something like that, and here we go. Now after I click here, this is how it will look like. We can make it here. You can even add some animation if you like to. So if I clicked in here, we'll find here animation, so we can add some animation to make it look a little bit better than it looks normally. So this is how it looks like. Let's make it float in. Here as you can see, you can add settings and see the post list. You can choose category, customize settings. Here the display, cover image, reading time. You can see the publish date, write your name if you want to add it, likes counter if there's any likes in your post, and let's add, for example, here the view. So it's gonna be something around this, and yeah, it is pretty much done now. So these are the recent blogs. Now if I click on publish, it will be published. Here as you can see, there is some other like blogs. As you can see here, they can click to see all the posts. Of course you can edit whatever you have here, and if I click here, you can link it to whatever page you'd like to. So here as you can see, it is connected to my blog, but it can connect it to whatever web editor I want. Just paste here the URL and they will take me to that URL that I have chosen. They can take you to a document, so they will open, for example, a document for you. They can take you to the top or the bottom of the page, give you an email, phone number, lightbox. So here you can link a lightbox section or anchor. So here, for example, if I click in here, they will take me to a specific section of the page. For example, they will take me over here. How to do that? That's from clicking on section and anchor from here, as you can see. So let's click here and let's go to length, and here it is. So here just edit whatever you like, any section you'd like, and they will take you to there, as you can see here as well. Now this is pretty much it, guys. So that's how you can start creating your blog on Wix. Now you can go here to add some content to your website. So you can here add a content manager, which will allow you to add content. Start with the preset, start with adding content. So here you can add your for example, blogs, write your articles, do your news, or basically do your blogs, which is why we are creating this website, which is writing blogs and articles about yourself. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. That's how you can create your own blog on Wix. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see ya in the next video.